talk to him.
My dad has a GTR.
From the BART train to a tour bus, still the same game except I'm pulling more sluts, more butts, more fucks. Did it my way, I'm never taking shortcuts. Raised in a town like